I'm Kevin. I go to Las Gatos High School, and this is my sprint timer modifications. For my modifications, all I did was write some code that would be able to estimate the distance between the two ESPs I used, which you can see behind here. And so here's just how it works. Um, I place them 1 meter apart, and then I'm running my code that estimates the distance, and it estimates distance using RSSI, which is the signal strength of a Wi-Fi signal. And so what it does is I have an access point, which is right here, and then I have a client right there. And then so the access point sends a Wi-Fi signal to the client, which uses that to get the RSSI. You can do it from any distance, and then it uses that to estimate the distance between the two ESPs by running it through an exponential equation. And it's also affected by two other variables, being the measured power and the n variable. The measured power is the RSSI that's calculated from a known distance of 1 meter, and the n value is the path loss exponent, which is dependent on the surrounding environment. So as you can see right here, it's currently calculating the RSSI from 1 meter, and you could see it's around -40-ish, which is usually the general RSSI for ESP32. And then here it's estimating the distance. It's not the most accurate because we're indoors, but as you can see, it's fluctuating around 1 meter, which is exactly what it is right here. I'm placing it 1 meter apart on the meter stick. And yeah, that's pretty much it. For some challenges, this is really weird, but like sometimes when I would upload the code, it just would not print anything on the serial monitor. It just randomly decided to start working today. I didn't change anything. It just randomly started to work. And yeah, that's it. If I had more time, I'd just probably add some like more filtering stuff to make the distance estimation a lot more accurate, because it could always be improved on. And for any other things, I would probably just add some quality of life stuff to the project, like LEDs or a laser pointer or something like that.